This is the larger lift, M&S in Chester Foregate Street. There's also a goods lift. Oh, I like that. There's also a goods lift there. We'll get a view of that when we come back down.
Mind the doors, please.
Mind the doors, please. What? Direct to floor. What is that? That's an old lift. It's been modernised by KONE. Capacity 20,000 kilos, 26 persons. They're also installed and modernised. First floor. Oh, this is awesome.
Mind the doors,
Might take a few rides in this actually. Oh, look at that. See something through the window? Yeah, you can. Look at that.
Ground floor.
Oh, I think someone's coming up on it. I'm not too sure.
Mind the doors,
Right, yeah, we're going to take this for another ride. This is awesome. Look at this.
First floor.
Look at these. Look at this old Dewhurst button. You barely get them like that anymore. Oh. They're very rare. I saw some videos, but that bell. I saw some videos, but I never really. I guess I just didn't pay much attention to it on the videos because it didn't look this epic. Don't know if it speaks Blackburn or not. There's the goods lift. Looks new. I think that's been replaced that. Oh, it's KONE.
Mind the doors, please.
It's KONE, the goods lift. And here's the smaller lift. This one's been modernised. Oh. Oh, it's gone up, I think. Oh, there we go. This one's been modernised by KONE with Dewhurst and Newark in late state. Modernised. Capacity 1,000 kilos, 13 persons. Indicates wrong. Modernised 2014. I think it's used to have old Dewhurst, double Dewhurst. It's got the LC, obviously. Oh god, did I just close the doors by calling that? I hope they managed to get out because they're in a wheelchair. It seemed a bit quick. Yeah. It's faded. I like those doors. Yeah, even like, in the indicator changes as soon as it closes the doors. It's definitely very LC-like. And that's it.